Oh, wow. 29 degrees here. That wasn't good. 28 degrees. Wow. We're at freezing levels right now, which is not good. We're about to go into this. Spoke too soon about the turbulence. 26 degrees here. Picked up a little ice. That was quick. It went from 36 degrees to 29.
What do we do about the icing?
Yeah, I still got ice on the spar here.
Yep.
28 degrees. Pick up some more ice. Yeah, I need to get down here.
Yeah, it started freezing on the edge. When do we get to draw?
In about 1 mile.
We had originally planned to take a nice VFR flight over the Hoover Dam, Lake Mead, and then over the Grand Canyon. After touring the canyon for a while, we'd shoot straight down to Sedona, Arizona for our final destination. However, the Grand Canyon requires you to fly 11,500 feet northbound and 10,500 feet southbound when doing aerial tours, to stay safely away from the commercial tour traffic. Unfortunately, it was winter, and the freezing levels were between 9,000 and 11,000 feet. Because our Cessna 172 was not equipped to fly into known icing conditions, we would have to find lower altitudes to avoid the clouds, forcing us to miss our aerial tour of the canyon. We had just talked with a pilot that had heard that the Grand Canyon area was socked in with weather 30 minutes before our departure. With weather not cooperating, our plan was to file an IFR flight plan to the Grand Canyon National Park Airport and then land there to visit the canyon if we were unable to view it from the air. After the tour, we'd take off again and fly down to our final destination of Sedona, Arizona. If we found a patch of clear weather on our way over to the Grand Canyon, we would simply cancel IFR, do the tour, and then pick up our IFR clearance in the air to Sedona from there.
Henderson, ground 951 Mike Charlie. We're ready to taxi to 17.
Cessna 951 Mike Charlie, runway 17 right. Taxi via taxiway hotel. It'll be northbound on the east edge of the ramp all the way up to hotel. Advise tower on initial call that you are IFR and verify you have November.
All right, 1 Mike Charlie, we have November, and it'll be a taxi to hotel to 17 right, and we'll advise tower that we're IFR. Brake and brake set. Seat and seatbelts check secure. Cabin doors closed and locked. Flight controls. Elevator set for takeoff. Flight instruments check and set. We're good. Fuel quantity check. Mixture rich. Fuel selector valve. Recheck both. Throttle up to 1800. Pressure. Vacuum looks good. Ammeter's charging. Check the idle. Okay. Henderson Tower 951 Mike Charlie. We're ready to go to 17 right, and we are IFR.
Cessna 951 Mike Charlie, Henderson Tower. Hold short, runway 17 right.
Hold short, 17 right, 1 Mike Charlie.
Cessna 951 Mike Charlie, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff.
17 right, clear for takeoff, 1 Mike Charlie.
Cessna 1 Mike Charlie, contact departure, good day.
Order departure, 1 Mike Charlie, you have a happy holiday. Las Vegas departure, 951 Mike Charlie is with you, 3.3 for 7.
November 951 Mike Charlie, Las Vegas departure, ident, Las Vegas altimeter 2995.
2995, here's flash, 1 Mike Charlie.
November 1 Mike Charlie, ready to contact 2 miles south of Henderson, southbound, climb and maintain 7,000.
Climb and maintain 7,000, 1 Mike Charlie.
November 1 Mike Charlie, climb and maintain 9,000.
Climb and maintain 9,000, 1 Mike Charlie.
November 1 Mike Charlie, turn left heading 090, vet the strong course.
090, 1 Mike Charlie.
November 1 Mike Charlie, turn left heading 060, intercept Victor, question intercept the boulder 080 radio, maintain 9,000.
Left to 060 to intercept a Boulder 080 radial up to 9,000. 1 Mike Charlie.
November 1 Mike Charlie, contact Vegas approach 125.6 today.
25-6, 1 Mike Charlie. Have a happy holiday.
Thank you.
Las Vegas approach 905, 1 Mike Charlie. 7,000, climbing 9,000.
Number 951 Mike Charlie, Vegas approach, roger. Comment saying 11000.
11000, 1 Mike Charlie. I don't know. What do you think? Should we just go to Sedona? This is like socked in. It looks clear to the south where Sedona is.
Where's the Grand Canyon?
Straight ahead.
You might be able to see that. I don't know.
Want to try?
Or 1 Mike Charlie, contact LA Center 124.85.
2485, 1 Mike Charlie. Happy holidays.
Two.
LA Center 905, 1 Mike Charlie. Climbing out of 10.8 for 11.
951 Mike Charlie, LA Center, roger.
Well, there is a layer here. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, that's what I said back there. I think that's it. Right?
Wow. Whoa. So we're out of the clouds. It's good because it's freezing right here. 31 degrees.
Is that it on the left?
That is it. That's the beginning of it, yep. Overcast 200 feet right now for Grand Canyon. I mean, it's possible. I mean, I could go VFR and just shoot straight over there and stay in between these cloud layers. Want to do that? LA Center 951 Mike Charlie. We'd like to cancel IFR at this time.
01 Mike Charlie, roger. Cancellation of IFR received. You maintain VFR on your present squawk for advisories.
I maintain VFR. And do you want us to stay with you, 1 Mike Charlie?
Sure, yeah, you can stay on your squawk and this frequency.
Just so you know, we're just going to do a little tour around the Grand Canyon, and then we're going to be IFR to Sedona.
Or 1 Mike Charlie, roger. Are you familiar with the flight free zone?
That's affirmative, 1 Mike Charlie.
Or 1 Mike Charlie, roger.
We found our silver lining. Stuck in between the cloud layers at 12,000 feet and 10,000 feet, we had seen an opening below the western part of the Grand Canyon. At this point, our plan was to start the aerial tour, and if we had to climb into clouds to meet the altitude requirements, or if the weather deteriorated, we'd just terminate the tour and pick up the IFR flight plan to Sedona.
Number 1 Mike Charlie, you're going to go around the north side of the Grand Canyon, and then proceed southbound through the corridors.
Yeah, 1 Mike Charlie, we're going to be transiting the Pierce Ferry sector almost due east, and then we're going to shoot up the corridors north on the tuck-up corridor.
Number 1 Mike Charlie, roger.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God. I'm going to cry. Oh, my God, that's amazing. I don't even know what to say. This is unbelievable. I will never forget this. worked. We got our Grand Canyon tour.
It was pretty special with the clouds.
There it is, right below us. Wow. Wow, I don't know what it is, but on the north rim of the canyon, it's 4 degrees cooler at the same altitude. The canyon must have some sort of meteorological thing going on. LA Center 951 Mike Charlie, currently at 10.5, just exiting the Fossil Canyon corridor to the south. We'd like to be IFR to Sedona, Sierra Echo Zulu.
Mike Charlie, Roger, what's your request out there?
We'd like to be at 10,000 if possible.
If I send you direct to Drake and then Sedona, and they'll probably cut you over a little bit sooner, probably about 15 miles from Drake, they can cut you direct at 10,000, but if you want to go direct to Sedona from your current position, you'll need to be at 12,000.
Unable. Looks like we're going to be in icing at 12,000. Can we get another route, stay 1,000 or below?
Sir, 1 Mike Charlie, affirmative. You're cleared to the Sedona Airport via present position, direct Drake, Delta Romeo Kilo, then direct Sedona.
All right, direct Drake and then Sedona, 1 Mike Charlie.
Sir, 1 Mike Charlie, maintain 10,000. Grand Canyon altimeter is 3004.
All right, 10,000 for 1 Mike Charlie.
Number 1 Mike Charlie, can you provide your own terrain and obstruction clearance here for the next 15 miles or so? There is a rising terrain, the minimum IFR in that area there is 12,000.
All right, we will maintain terrain avoidance for 1 Mike Charlie. Degrees here, just went down. That wasn't good. 28 degrees. Wow. We're at freezing levels right now, which is not good. We're about to go into this. And center 951 Mike Charlie. I'd like to get 1,000 if possible.
Mike Charlie, come maintain 1,000.
1,000, 1 Mike Charlie. See if we can get out of these clouds. Now it's back up to 35 degrees. I just want to stay in between these cloud layers. Spoke too soon about the turbulence. Just checking the radar, make sure there's nothing. Not going to pop through any yellow here.
No major precipitation was on radar, and my major concern was that we had a clear layer that we could shoot through to avoid icing.
We're 951 Mike Charlie, contact Albuquerque on 28.45.
28.45 for 1 Mike Charlie, happy holidays.
2.
Albuquerque Center, 951 Mike Charlie, checking in at 1,000.
November 9051 Mike Charlie, Albuquerque Center, Roger. The press altimeter is 3006.
3006, 1 Mike Charlie. 26 degrees here. Picked up a little ice. Maybe get a little higher here, stay out of these clouds. That was quick. It went from 36 degrees to 29.
What do we do about the icing?
It'll melt when we come back down.
Okay.
And Albuquerque Center, quick pilot report, 951 Mike Charlie. About 5 minutes back there, we picked up some icing at 1,000.
November 1 Mike Charlie, Roger.
Yeah, Comanche 80 Pop, we'll go ahead and take that climb now. We're starting to pick up a little bit of ice here at 9.
November 80 Papa, come and maintain 10,000.
10,000, 80 Pop. And 80 Pop, we'd like to keep this climb going if possible, starting to pick up a little bit of ice here.
November 80 Papa, say requested altitude.
About 1,000 for 80 Pop.
November 80 Papa, come and maintain 1,000.
So 1,000, 80 Pop.
Yeah, still got ice on the spar here.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks like there's higher clouds over there. As long as we stay through between this layer, we should be good. A little tiny little layer, but it's clear.
November 1 Mike Charlie, turn 15 degrees to the right, vectors for traffic.
15 degrees to the right, 1 Mike Charlie. That puts us right in that Virga.
November 1 Mike Charlie, thank you for your help. Clear direct Drake.
Clear direct Drake, 1 Mike Charlie, thanks.
November 1 thank you for your help. Contact Phoenix approach now 133.57. Good day.
33.57 for 1 Mike Charlie. Happy holidays.
You as well.
Approach Cessna 951 Mike Charlie is checking in 1000.
November 951 Mike Charlie, Phoenix approach, welcome. The Prescott altimeter 3006.
3006 for 1 Mike Charlie, and we'd like the GPS runway 3 for Sedona.
The GPS runway 3 approach into Sedona started at the Juso initial approach fix at 8,000 feet, well below the freezing levels. A pilot in the area had reported icing at 9,000 feet, but somehow I had missed his transmission. This meant that there was a solid chance of icing between 10,000 and 8,000 feet on my descent into the initial approach fix. Had I done this over again, I would have stayed at 11,000 feet and requested a much quicker descent to the initial approach fix. ATC even gave me a pilot's discretion descent, which I failed to use. You are about to see just how quick things can go wrong, as we picked up much more icing than I felt comfortable with. I still had warmer temperatures below, which in my head was my out. However, I didn't think about how close to the approach I'd have to get in order to descend to those levels.
Number 951 Mike Charlie, watch that. Do you want to start at Juso?
Juso sounds good. 1 Mike Charlie.
1 Mike Charlie, clear direct Juso at this time.
Direct Juso, thanks. 1 Mike Charlie. 26 minutes. Still got the ice on the way.
Yeah, but some of it cleared off.
Yeah, well, we'll be going down now.
It hasn't picked up anymore, is my point.
Good.
Descent of pilot's discretion, maintain 10,000.
Pilot's discretion to 10,000, 1 Mike Charlie. 28 degrees. Pick up some more ice.
Traffic, so to maintain 9,000.
5 degrees to the right and down to 9,000, 1 Mike Charlie.
And 5 degrees to the left, please, number 1 Mike Charlie.
5 to the left, 1 Mike Charlie.
1 Mike Charlie, let's make it 15 degrees to the left. I'll have back on course here momentarily.
1-5 to the left, 1 Mike Charlie. No, I need to get down here.
Yeah, it started freezing on the edge.
And Phoenix approach 1 Mike Charlie, we got the weather at Sedona, and we're picking up a little icing here. If we could get lower, that would be nice. 1 Mike Charlie.
Number 1 Mike Charlie, unfortunately I can't get you lower due to the terrain. Clear direct Juso at this time.
All right, direct Juso, 1 Mike Charlie.
1 Mike Charlie, cross Juso at or above 9,000, and you are cleared GPS runway 3 approach to the Sedona airport. If you need something else, just let me know.
All right, cross Juso at 9,000, at or above 9,000, and we're cleared GPS runway 3 at Sedona. 1 Mike Charlie. Right at 32 right now. Blast through this as fast as we can.
When do we get to drive?
In about 1 mile. Alright, I can go down to 8,000 now.
915 Mike Charlie. Again, report your cancellation in the air with me or on the ground on frequency 126.37.
Alright, we'll cancel on the ground at 26.37, 1 Mike Charlie.
1 Mike Charlie, thanks. Change your advisory frequency approved at this time.
Alright, going over to frequency, have a happy holidays, 1 Mike Charlie.
Okay, thanks.
Ice is now moving.
Yay.
Ugh. That was a rough one.
Yeah, we're at 35 degrees now. Down to 6,600. Sedona traffic, 951 Mike Charlie is 5 miles to the south on the GPS runway 3. Full stop. 7 for 6.6. 6,600 right there. We're at 40 degrees now. Sedona traffic, 951 Mike Charlie is 4 miles to the south on the GPS runway 3. Full stop, Sedona. And now we can come down to 6,100. 6,140. There's 6,140. Hope we break out.
Nope.
Bam!
I see it. We get to land. Holy crap. That's pretty.
Sedona traffic, 951 Mike Charlie's 3 miles to the south, landing runway 3, Sedona. Sedona traffic, 951 Mike Charlie's 2 mile final, runway 3, full stop, Sedona. This is amazing. Look at this. Sedona traffic, 1 Mike Charlie, short final, runway 3, full stop, Sedona. 500 to go. Sedona traffic, 951 Mike Charlie is clearly active, Sedona.
We spent the next few hours at the Mesa Grill, a nice restaurant on the field at Sedona, recalling the amazing trip we had just been on. We even had a view of the Cessna 172 from our table. Oh, and Sedona?